73.
73.
73.
Avoir le droit de faire quelque chose.
To be allowed to.
To be allowed to.
Est-ce que tu peux déjà conduire une voiture?
Are you already allowed to drive?
Are you already allowed to drive?
Est-ce que tu peux déjà boire de l'alcool?
Are you already allowed to drink alcohol?
Are you already allowed to drink alcohol?
Est-ce que tu peux déjà aller seul à l'étranger?
Are you already allowed to travel abroad alone?
Are you already allowed to travel abroad alone?
Avoir le droit, pouvoir.
May, to be allowed.
May. To be allowed.
Est-ce que nous pouvons fumer ici?
May we smoke here?
May we smoke here?
A-t-on le droit de fumer ici?
Is smoking allowed here?
Is smoking allowed here?
Est-ce qu'on peut payer avec une carte de crédit?
May one pay by credit card?
May one pay by credit card?
Est-ce qu'on peut payer par chèque?
May one pay by check?
May one pay by check?
Peut-on payer seulement comptant?
May one only pay in cash?
May one only pay in cash?
Est-ce que je peux téléphoner?
May I just make a call?
May I just make a call?
Est-ce que je peux vous demander quelque chose?
May I just ask something?
May I just ask something?
Est-ce que je peux vous dire quelque chose?
May I just say something?
May I just say something?
Il ne peut pas dormir dans le parc.
He is not allowed to sleep in the park.
He is not allowed to sleep in the park.
Il ne peut pas dormir dans la voiture.
He is not allowed to sleep in the car.
He is not allowed to sleep in the car.
Il ne peut pas dormir dans la gare.
He is not allowed to sleep at the train station.
He is not allowed to sleep at the train station.
Pouvons-nous prendre place?
May we take a seat?
May we take a seat?
Pouvons-nous avoir la carte?
May we have the menu?
May we have the menu?
Pouvons-nous payer séparément?
May we pay separately?
May we pay separately?